Usia nonso abo mamunyina jo amakwa ba ede aba Green TV anyumre nonso kase so ewe studios ya ewo nungwa kantamanto ene ayo okuoda General Bosumi no ne da etoso aduenu ewo mfiempino ene aduenu baako emu ensema hodo ensa so osemufo agebre asone so no ene de eba ababesomo na ewakase mu no ne obeti ebi ene se NDC legal team no NPP amanyuko no de ababetu dwa ekese one mu legal team no Ukraine nyade a one my crado ewo petition na chese eda eye Supreme Court na ho na NDC amanyuko no so ede anu yi aba one legal team no so ababe NPP legal team no one nsem a woka no anu chese one na crado pa e proceedings a ebekoso ewo eye Supreme Court afenso no akwanhia hodo ye timisisi ye ewo mfiempino ene aduenu mu no MTTD penipa ya wono ne da researcher no ono so chese eyade a ekosoro ye pa we ne nsem mu ka ho anigide mu nsem amano ne nsem ene edwade mu nsem ena sima aduasan ye die ni mu no yade ensem ababeso mo se enwere no nso kase ewo Green TV so ni nyina mu na seda no ekọ edemasidi aba center ya teso.com you fresh ena mobile hand sanitizer esebo ne kura mu a yade kase ye eba aye wakwamu ebusia meka o se yedemu live on Facebook Green TV Ghana official Green TV Ghana ewo YouTube and Green TV_GH and so ewo Instagram na so hwo Aduanaba ya Preko on Facebook ne follow Aduanaba_GH and so ewo eye Instagram Aduanaba ya Preko ko de sheba ko pe enimedi yentwa ahomre ba ye be hye nsem na se e de ama Amwa kwa ba hye nsem na se e de ama odia legal team member e de ma omampani na adodan kwakufu ado ewo mfiempino ene aduenu abato ye a won mode akokopie mu ewo aye Supreme Court eho achinyeje ya NDC amanyuko no frankatufo John Romani Mahama chese nyade obetin ho ase ewo sa abato no emu no eno mu ena legal team member ye ne din Frank Davis wade ababetu dwa wo bisa NDC won mu legal team ne se aso won ma ye credo na won boabo no yie ese wade nsema hodo ebekọ akwakoda eye Supreme Court na efiri se won de ohunu se ase won enye credo ewo proceedings a ekoso ewo omanye Supreme Court edan no mo.
I'm confident that in the short course of time you'll be apprised with the issues that have been set down. The court has also given an elaborate timetable for the hearing of the petition in strict conformity with the CI 99. So we are all supposed to be back on the 26th of January, that is Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, for the hearing of the petition to commence in earnest. It is instructive to let you all know that the three issues that we set down as our memorandum of issues have been incorporated largely in the issues set down by the court. Now the court has also set down for legal arguments, a preliminary legal argument, whether or not the petition discloses any reasonable cause of action. Indeed, in second respondent's answer, that matter was raised by the second respondent's legal team as a matter which should be considered by the Supreme Court, and that has been set down for preliminary legal argument. When the decision and the rulings of the court was read, lead counsel for the petitioner raised the matter as to the filing of the application for review, but that was sharply responded to by Professor Ashi Kote, Justice of the Supreme Court. We all know as lawyers that the filing of an application for review does not operate as a stay of proceedings of the matter in court. Well, the return date for that application is tomorrow, the 15th. It's tomorrow. We will be in court tomorrow for that application to be heard. So yes, that is what transpired in court this morning. Of course, expedition is justice. You don't come to court with a set of rules and you want to circumvent and obviate the rules by your own careless abandon. How do you come to court with a petition and you don't know that you have to file a witness statement? You don't know that you have to settle a memorandum of issues? I don't understand what is meant by sacrificing justice on the altar of expedition. Justice delayed is justice denied. So what is it? They are just not ready. It should tell all of you. They were advocating for a live broadcast of the proceedings. We were not averse to it. Everybody is seeing what is happening in the Supreme Court. Every single day, lead counsel for the petitioner has one complaint on the other. You cannot blame the failure of a bad farm on your tools of implementation. Your farm is your farm, and it depends on how you cultivate it. So we should also not pander to this repeated rhetoric of sacrificing justice for expedition. It is the main reason that the election petition of 2013 delayed for 8 grueling months in court. Are they anticipating the same thing? I believe not.
Abusia awasa esebukro na emu no na NDC one more legal team member ya wonu so din ene Marietta Brew apia wonu so ejina mu dendende adema aye John Dramani Mahama na wode anu yi aba monten so echese no kware bia enim na sansem na owura ne ekase wonum anya krado no enya ade no kware bia wom na ayade a wonum aye krado pa ese wonum behwe esia hodo awiata so na proceedings ahodo ye bekoso ewo oman yi Supreme Court wonum no eniema MTTD akoso kama.
We are quite shocked because we are here for pre-trial, for case management, and for those who've been in court, we know what case management is. Case management is a discussion between the parties and the court as to how the trial is going to proceed. Today, that's not what happened. We were told what is going to happen. There was no discussion as to what our views were on how the case should proceed. So we are quite shocked. No, that's not the case. What the court said was that we file our witness statements by tomorrow, by 12 tomorrow. Yes. Now, that means we have just one day to prepare the witness statement. Now, you are all aware already that we had an application for interrogatories. We served them with notice to admit facts. We served them with notice to actually inspect documents. All those things have not been attended to. We have actually filed an application for review of their order yesterday relating to their refusal to grant us leave to serve the interrogatories. That has actually been fixed for the 28th. Now, all those things will have an impact on the kind of witness statements we will prepare and file. So if those issues have not been dealt with, those applications have not been dealt with, how do we file witness statements by close of business on the 23rd? For us, it's shocking. It really doesn't make sense to us as lawyers who've been practicing in the courts for so many years. But we know what the rules are. We know what the rules are.
Counsel for the recording saying that they're not well prepared for this trial. We seem to be raising objections to everything in the courtroom.
And every objection that we've raised is grounded in law and is justified. I'm sure you are all witness to the arguments made by lead counsel yesterday. Did those arguments sound that like they were just a ploy to delay the case? They were grounded in law. The fact that the petitioner has interrogatories to serve on the respondents. Now, interrogatories, as he stated, are to aid the trial of the case. And indeed, if a petitioner who has, or an applicant who has good grounds for serving interrogatories is denied the opportunity, for us that's a denial of justice. Now, let no one say we are not prepared. If we're not prepared, we wouldn't have come to court, we wouldn't have filed the petition in the first place. All we are saying is that processes we have served, processes we have filed, processes that need to be dealt with have not been dealt with. How do we start a trial? That is all we are saying. So if you ask us to come to court on the 26th to commence a trial, how are we going to start a trial when our notice to we need to now sit down and look at it. Did it, because we have also filed our memorandum of issues, does it take care of
Director of Education, Research, Monitoring and Evaluation a post adosu MTTD adosuno. The Superintendent Alexander Kofi Obeng wane Green TV amanibofo ahwehwe nkomo de ato na nemu kire se ewo mfiampino ene aduanu emun akwanhia dodo ye si ye ewo yakwantempo ahodo so no eye bese empim enum 5000 akwanhia ene si ye ewo yakwantempo ahodo so ye nam so amanipa bese apem ehwere wonom nkwa ewo mfiampino ene aduanu so
Ashaya dia akwanhia ba ye 25152. They private over 10,000. The etoso commercial over 9,000. Me so motorcycle over 5,000. Nanso sanka dodo na ekum nipa. Kakra na motorcycle no. Enipa 2,580 na ewe no. Ekum almost emufa ekum 1,056. Echese motorcycle eni abetra side dem yeso so a yenya yusu enti e wose pen yenya mafoforo be kan de wo no e ma bambo motorcycle tumpo omo kuma Asante region motorcycle no ekum edi nipa dem e wo pa efise hwe Asante regional motorcycle ekumnipa dodo enti yehwe na yenka se baby a motorcycle ekumnipa mako 190 yehwe na nia yenyina be ye wo ho na motorcycle na edi nipa dem na within one region na nipa 500 and 72 ewuya emu 190 motorcycle ne kun won na mema no so e organ ha no ye nkan hu se ene mema ne do so se na kwan so se wa ni kwan so hye so a ebe yiwa ma ebe kire emra a wuni so ne ade nti se mema ndo do wu a efri bibi ye traka mu a ye mo seatbelt ye traka mu basabasa ye konom sane ye kaka na ye ni ensem fata etibe otimoto so oncheche otimoto so ababi emfa no de nam sa na nam so ma mema dodo ni wu nti enkai na yemma de dia kwanhye ba yi entuefo generally de dia kwanhye ba ogana ha ahyen bia na omo kwa driver for no omo sinsan ka ho basabasa okofu so na ka ne ehihia wo nua na pempem ebu oso anu okuja ka na si kwantempo so ahyenso die ni echi na ebi di akobo ma hyase awu ebu oso so a na ka ne American dos dodo ebu oso so a oduru nkwanta wanya wanhwebi nhuma hweni mfa kane na so kokko na ode kofa mu ne kokka ne kopempem ye ebu oso anu ayi afam na de akwanhia bae kabum ama kwanhia bai enti yakɔ ni madaba fo yanya hweye aka ona yahwe kaso yes abebo ama kwanhia ai si afrase
Obsia beto aso sa ede ani akire mu ewo yensem fofo emu efri bra amampani na adodan kokufo ado eba ye ne omanfo bekasa ye na obi yesuku ahodo ade tu mu efri general bosumi mu ne da na to sudunum ema ankrankra suku ene aban suku sa ahodo nyina efri motofo aso anase enkwada nkuma so ede kokosi yesu apo ahodo mu no na ye bompempe ekosu apon ne suku ahodo dodo na mu ewo ye oman mu na ne titiriw asante mantemu hono mo de eba beto odwa ekire se enkwada disuafo ahodo ye kosuku hono mo no enya ade a safety protocols anase hyehye ya empedifo di gu akwan mu ede ma adisuafo nse bi obedi so na covid-19 nyadoa ne yetemi aso ano no wono mo edi so ya wobomu amane
Opepone da na etoso dunsun enwo mfimpim nu eni eduonu emu ena Ghana mampani na adodankwa ekufuado efrugina simpi eni apaso eni omanfo ekasa ye efa covid-19 ho nimpra na etoso eduonu emienu na ewo ne nsem kayemu no enioma bi ya wodi tudwa na efa disua ho nsem enyina ne se wabiemu se sukufo ensanso enkohyen omusuku ahoduo mu ma se na be ya disua ho nsem ebetumi akonkan edi amomo na enumu ena nsem edi omani echiemu ewo esuku ahodo enu ewo kumase ewo santimantamu wokokohwe senia esukufo ni achechefo yi wo mu AC ebo mu bra ewo covid-19 brei mu emrenso wo mu eguso ewo adisia ho ensemu na emransem chefo yi di omani echiemu ewo suku bi ya enu ewo ahia ena ebi nsoso ewo fawade ewo kwabre east empeso ano esono wodi etuja se esukufo no eyade a wo mu bom duduo mu pa eba behye anasa wo mu eba bedin hyehyɛ ya empanimfo edi begu akwan so afọ medisua ho ensem na wosanso ekọ hɔ no hu sɛ sukufo duduo na wo mu akom ho abom esiesie hɔ no mesanse bosumi makomako bɛsɛ edu enie ya yɛtoto wo musuku dan mu na adesua nsɛm entumi enkonkan emfa emo ɛwɔ MAJHS AMB ya enu ɛwɔ ahia ɛhɔnom ɛna headmistress a wɔno ɛna da sukuu pon yi ano maame Constance Asamoah editu jase wo wogidie ye pase bibia ebetumi asisi na akwan mu senia enkane na etie ansa na covid-19 yi eba ewo March bosu minimu ewo mfimpim nu eni eduonu emu
na yabie na yebie protocols no de se de mo hu ye ene ane ewo saa bucket ni bi dada ya yedi nso agu mu ama nkwada no ena nose mask no so de am so ready no omo fie no na omo hye na kakra nanso utu se no mo hye ne yie pa ntino ama ayedin kakra ma wo mo ba anope no ye no mo akasa amomo hu the way yare no koso nyina nti o se bi mu kura ahyehye no ye sure se enwie pa yesa nanso me ne ye se emfiri be se wo chana de chenkom no de be ka se ani o mu se teacher for no enno so san kwala ne de but teacher for no so omo hu hia say enkwa no ho bambo no ehia because akwa binya problem bia yeso so yemenya the same problem ni bi enti enkwa na kasa so kasa kire na ya kasa kire omo bi fi say ba ya adwuma o hwa omo matie no obi a hyade dia wonyi firi na no na me sure say
ta wono ene da sa school pon yi ano eye owura Max Odua na wono nso ede nsem etudwa ya no wochem se na nigi sempa se aban ne mpanyufo asanso ehu na wasanso abiemu se schoolfo ne achechefo enkodan mu na achese bibia enkonkan na adesua ho nsem so wo mu entumi entuhu anamo
okay academy dia obi opeso odi ne bibia very safe adi tina me kasa. The Americans, first of all, before classes school begin, and before the name of Guacum, I'm making sure say your contact Zoom line for how we spray her almost 2 times. 2 times, let's see, about so more spray heavy, and she has spray her almost 3 times. It's very safe. Who wrote the academy swap? at every corridor piano there were Veronica Baketa, Samna Ninsumua, Yen Korean Sa. Every 2 hours beyond so they're checking 20 temperature, make sure they sanitize their hand. Classroom beyond sanitize the access phone heading, they use the request a crowd here to say, you didn't and then so you but not a credit in and so I buy a idea. I need to perform that. We'll be also asking our day. Until the can say, go, I couldn't be more. See, I see a year more infrastructure. Also, no, again, only open Pinanka, airport, because so heavy innovations, painting. Is it my studio about plans? They say, also consumable. See, this is a time private school in here more. Tiabano, will be beer, or none of us. As I now, no smarts in the Yama bankers or by India and my. And see a challenge. This is the area of Mosa, and Tiabani Nano, especially on consumable liquid soaps.
I was saying, and Samuel so near Nanny Homra by Yediani Abachere, a Jedi, a Munsem. Awuza yede ani chemu ewe ye dwade mu nsemu a mampani na musini ya wowo asoye ya yehwe omansi kasem so wonimonyamfo kan no friata wade ababeto dwa akire se sika botre ya esum aye $50 million eno aye sika won ehwie ede agumu se beya National Development Bank ebetumi ahwe na ni dwuma soro ahodo mu no atimi agire na so eno aye sika wade hye
Obese $50 million eba be she sika krabia emu sene beya wobetumi asie na sikai ehu ebetumi aba emfaso ede amatememufo nenu emu ene wosanso ede tu dwase wo mu ehwese sika krabia ensa betumi aka $1 bese 1 billion na emu bese $250 million de eyade aban ene ne panyimfo ede ahye sika krabia ni mu dada na chese de aka no ene wogusua ehye anim na wosanso ede tu dwase sika krabia eba be hwese domestic market sika bia anase insunsanso bi ebefi ho ede aba no wo mu ebehwese sika bia hu behia se wode ebehye sa domestic market ni mu no wo mu bepe ede afisa sika krabia ede abo ho ebra sanso ene ba regional any international market nso a wo mu ebehwese sa sika yi ene obetumi ede abo ho ebra eno amu ene onyonyamfo kenoforiata esanso ede tu dwase wasanso ape sika ya enu eye interest ede afi international bodies bi etse World Bank, European Investment Bank, KFW ene DFID asoye na sa sika pudwe ene sa anamonto enyina wo mu ehwe anim se betumi apon akwakoboa omanfo anasetememufo den konkoba ne se wo madwumasem enkanko anasempuntu a yehwehwe ewo manga nem hanim se no ebeye bisi basa ewa ha
Ozebe sanso gina siwie mu na ye twa ho abaye ba ye de ni abakire adwadie anase nigidie emunsem ewo anigedie emu ensemu no juntuni baba ya wono ne din ani OHEMAA mercy ya woto nyankopon nwum anase gospel ya dodo na epe aye nasem ene aye Zion Felix etwetwe aye enkomo na wode atudwa chese Nyanyum foforo kra yo de aba eyemanten so watimimu no ayade a secular music artist ya ne din ene kwabena eboa na pa ansa na enyum no ochro ato ede aba amomanfo eje ede atumu.
OHEMAA Mercy nyumtini a wagye ne din ewo manga ne mu eni ewiase afanan bebre na wode ne nsem aba betuja emra nsem trofo ebisa ne nsem ba kumienu na ne nsem a wode etu wo manim enyina ne se ne nyom a na etia eda so otimimu ade a woni kwabena na etumi etro sa enwum yi wosan so eto ne nsem se mra ne nsa eka sa enwum no anase wonya nisuade hu se sa enwum yi wonfa embra ewiase no nipa ne din edi kan ba na adwemu kwabena na entempa so na hyese wobo epi no a wo mu bobo hu etumi ehu de sese omotro ene ekwan a wo befa so de enwum no aba betodwa wosanso etwe ni nsem se empempi no eya woni enwumtofo akukudam bi etse geometal sanso na Reverend Yosen ene empanyufo ahodo bi ene ya wo mu eta trotro nwum yi echeche ne se fafa ha na ye ni sei na chese ni nyina no eboa ama ne nwumto no etumi edim eno amu na wo chiemu se eya de asa enwum ya na eti eda so otimimu no woni onwumtuni bi a ne din ene MOG na chese wo feature no ewo so na sa enwum yi etumi eyiniti anase epie mu ewo infimpim no ene aduonu emu emra na coronavirus anase COVID-19 enso so ateni hyiemu ewo wiase afanan bebre na emra mami ede ne nsem ekwawe no sanso echiemu se wode aseda piesie ma oduman kuma nyankopon esanse wode sa enwum yi eto na koma so no woboaye esanso eyi nipa ohwa obetumi aboa no na onu anene ye kwabena na enwom no so eyade abranti etumi ebo ne humodin ye pa etro esanso eche ne senia obesi ato no
abusia yebesa abusia ewo amanane ensem no ye gina US abrochima mu woni se woto aba ewo mfempino ene aduanu mu November boso menimu ne da na etoso ayemiensa na ene dai ena mpenifo wona adwene se wode ne besiso ampampa ya ne nuane ampa wamo ede no asiso ya wono owura ne di ne Joe Biden ewo US abakwese mu no wakwakoto mampani ahodo babako bese aduane ensia ono ene 46th president watu aba ede yin foforo kra ewo America wono abakwasem emu na enumu ewo breko a obegina simpie ne apaso ya na wotumi esai no emu no Chief Justice ya ne din John Robert wono ena eso ajanse waka no wono saka edi na chi ye oso akofuna mu a osai ede kire manfo chese America for de obekwaso na be de kire nso ye ne din ne Kamala Harris wano nso no wamo ede no esaya na se wode ne sieso esemampani be de kire ye oso akofuna mu a wano nso etimi esuaye eho ano nso ewo na bakwase mu no wano ne oba wodi kan kra ye woba be